was a kid, my grandfather brought me, he had a victory garden through the Depression with 7 kids, and so he put food on the table. I love the edible aspect of gardening, personally.
Well, I do more of the flowers
Yeah.
and sometimes the herbs, and Den does more of the edibles. Well, I know for me, I just find it very therapeutic, and some people hate to weed. I love to weed. I love to, with no gloves, just want to be in there, pulling them out, seeing what's new that's coming up that is a surprise that I didn't think would come back. I do enjoy when other people appreciate it, because I appreciate it, and I get a kick out of when people walk by and they know which things are just getting ready to bloom like that, and you find that other people watch your garden as well.
25 years ago, I loved being out here with my daughter, and she would be eating the snow peas, snap peas, right in the garden. And now we have a 2.5-year-old grandchild living with us, and he's eating the arugula with me out here. I like the edible aspect. Loved having my grandson pick strawberries this morning. So.
Nice.
In a month, he'll be picking grapes behind us.
We fought the battle with trying to have a small patio and grass. The grass would just be mud.
Yeah.
And finally we acquiesced, and we put the larger patio down and just bordered everything else. So it's morphed many times through the years, as has our front, actually.
Yeah.
The front had a tree when we moved in and no driveway, and was very symmetrical when we started the garden, and now it moves around. And over here where we have the vegetable garden now, we had a hot tub there for a lot of years.